Sorry, I unmuted myself and then I was talking. So draw these figures first. Fillet weld, we draw first square butt, single V, this is over. Then next double V, single U, double U. This is simple, very simple. Single V, double V, square, single V, double V, single U, double U, and the single bevel. So easy to remember, very simple. See here square, so form is square. Then here single V, so shape is like V. Then double V, single U, double U, and single bevel. Okay, is this over? So we'll move next. So that is the basic difference between the fillet weld and butt weld. So sometimes you will be asked in examination, so differentiate the fillet weld and butt weld for the 3 marks note. So we have that time you have to differentiate like this. So what pointers comes under the fillet weld and what pointers comes under the butt weld. So now see the fillet weld. So simple, fast and economical to make. So fillet weld is simple, fast and economical to make. If we think about the butt weld, more expensive than fillet weld because of the age preparations required. So this is more expensive. So their ages are there. So V is there, U is there, so that their ages is there, so that it is the more expensive than the fillet weld. Then no prior age preparation is necessary in the fillet weld. So no prior age means, so there are no ages are there like in the butt weld. So V shape, U shape, then square shape. Then in the butt weld, easily designed and fabricated to be strong as the member. So means we have to make the plates like this. Means we have to give the shape to the plates as a V, as a U. That we have to give the shapes, and in if we provide the shapes, then you have to fill these gaps. by the welding. Are you getting? म्हणजे आपण काय करतोय, त्या प्लेटला तसे शेप द्यायला लागतात, व्ही शेप, त्यानंतर यू शेप, देन स्क्वेअर शेप, अँड वॉट एव्हर दी पोर्शन वी हॅव internal gap is there, that gap we have to fill by the weld. So that easily we can design in the butt weld, means this shape आपण easily तयार करू शकतो and fabricated to be as a strong as a member. Then third point in the fillet weld, does not require a very skilled labor. Here not required the skill labor, but in the butt weld, so there are the requirement of the skilled labors. Why skilled labors are required? Because we have to give the shapes to the plates, whatever plates we are connecting, and we are keeping in front of each. My sound is audible properly?
Yes, sir.
Because here in screen, on screen given message me your internet connection is loose, like, so that I ask. Okay, so point number 3, the skilled labors are not required in the fillet weld, and skilled labors are required, or greater manpower is required in the butt weld. Now in the fillet weld, less attractive in appearance. Less attractive in appearance means the shape of fillet weld is triangular. The shape of fillet weld is triangular. We have seen here. This, see the first, the shape of this fillet weld is triangular. So the less attractive is in appearance. But in the butt weld, the better appearance compared to fillet weld. Why? So we have given shapes, V shape, U shape, square shape, bevel shape, so that the appearance is good as compared to, or appearance is better as compared to the fillet weld. So again in fillet weld, the poorer performance under the fatigue loading. If we think about the butt weld, the better fatigue characteristics compared to the fillet welds, means we can say earlier the fatigue weld is, or fatigue loading is nothing but because of the vibration purpose, the load is coming, that, and the failure is the fatigue failure. So here poor performance under the fatigue loading, but here the under the fatigue loading the better performance is there, means whatever shapes we have given to the plates, due to this shape given, the load carrying capacity is greater in the butt weld, and in the fillet weld is the less, because of the whatever shape we have given. Then next is the throat thickness, that we will learn in detail again next 2-3 slide. What is throat thickness? So throat thickness is equal to, that we have to consider in fillet weld is 0.707 into size of weld, or weld size. How to calculate throat thickness in the fillet weld? 0.707 into weld size. In butt weld, the throat thickness is calculated. So what is throat thickness, that we will see in the next 2 slides. So now here we have to calculate only, you see how to calculate throat thickness only. So here 0.707 into size of weld is the throat thickness in the fillet weld, and in butt weld the throat thickness is the 5/8 into thickness of thinner plates. It means we are connecting 2 plates. So if the thickness of 2 plates is same, then no problem. If the thickness is different of different 2 plates, then here the thickness of thinner plate, म्हणजे ज्याची thickness कमी आहे, ते into 5/8 केले की ती आपल्याला throat thickness मिळेल. Throat thickness ही welding ची thickness आहे in diagonally, that we will see how to, what is throat thickness. And the last number point in the fillet weld is not appropriate to transfer force large in the magnitude, means this is not appropriate type of weld to transfer the force from one member to the another member. But in the butt welding, easy to detail and the length of the connection is considerably reduced. So here the we are transferring the force one member to the another member easily. So these are the some of the difference and whatever point under the each we have seen and compared the difference of the two types of the weld, fillet weld and butt weld. And butt weld लाच आपण काय म्हणतो ग्रूव वेल्ड, दुसरं नाव आहे याचं ग्रूव वेल्ड. एक्झाम्पल मध्ये जर तुम्हाला ग्रूव वेल्ड म्हटलं तर that is nothing but again butt weld. So these are the two types of weld, and we have seen here the difference of these two welds. Now here the first is the fillet welding. We have seen the pictures of welding. We have seen the difference of the two welding. Now, what are the parameters or terms used in the welding that we have to calculate it for the problem solving? Now, the first type of welding is here the fillet welding. When two lapped plates are to be jointed, fillet welding is used. What I told, or I have shown you figures. Two lap joint is there in the fillet. If the lap joint is there, then we have to use the fillet welding, because in the butt welding we are placing two plates in front of each. बट वेल्ड मध्ये काय करतोय आपण दोन्ही प्लेट समोरासमोर ठेवत असतो. बोल्टेड मध्ये पण आपण पाहिलं, काय पाहिलं, बोल्ट बट जॉईंट असेल तर आपण काय करायचो, दोन प्लेट समोरासमोर ठेवायचो, वरून एक कव्हर प्लेट, खालून एक कव्हर प्लेट, आणि काय करायचो, बोल्टिंग करायचो. सिमिलरली वेल्डिंग मध्ये पण तेच आहे. जर बट जॉईंट असेल तर म्हणजे समोरासमोर प्लेट ठेवायच्या आणि त्याच्यामध्ये गॅप ठेवायचा, मग तो व्ही शेपने वेल्डिंग करायचं, यू शेपने वेल्डिंग करायचं. लक्षात येते का डिफरन्स बघा. आणि हे फिलेट वेल्डिंग जे आहे ते आपण कधी लॅप जॉईंट असेल तर वापरतो. लक्षात येतं फिलेट वेल्डिंग आणि बट वेल्डिंग मधला डिफरन्स. नाव द design of fillet weld. While designing the fillet weld, so we have to think about this following 9 terms, and the calculations we have to find out these 9 terms. So first is the size of fillet weld. Second is the throat of the fillet weld, which is nothing but the throat thickness of the fillet weld. Then effective length of the fillet weld. Then end return, then overlap, then side fillet, then intermittent fillet weld, single fillet weld, and permissible stress and strength of the fillet weld. That 9 parameters we have to learn while the design of the fillet weld. So we will see detail in one by one. Now, so what is size of fillet weld? So this is very important. So if you have IS code, तुमच्या जर IS समोर IS code असेल तर ओपन करा IS code. I have told last lecture you have to require IS code. So open IS code and go on the page number 78. Page number 78. Open the IS code, page number 78. There may be table number 21 is given. Who has unmute yourself? Please mute. From someone disturbance is there. So those who have IS code, please open and go on the page number 78. So their size of weld is given. So table number 21 is given for the size of weld. So that table is this. This table is given on the page number 21. The size of weld तुम्हाला या thickness of plate वरून size of weld सिलेक्ट करायचे असते. प्रॉब्लेम स्टेटमेंट मध्ये तुम्हाला thickness of plate दिलेले असते, त्याच्यावरून तुम्हाला काय कॅल्क्युलेट करायचे असते तर साइज ऑफ वेल्ड. मग आता तुम्हाला एक तर टेबल नंबर 21 IS कोड मध्ये दिलेला आहे. हे तुम्हाला एकतर माहित पाहिजे की बाबा टेबल नंबर पेज नंबर 78 वरती टेबल नंबर 21 आहे, अदरवाइज पाठ तर पाहिजे. Before that, we will see what is size of weld, fillet weld. See here, this is vertical plate, this is horizontal plate. म्हणजे ह्या दोन प्लेट आहेत एकमेकाला परपेंडिक्युलर फिक्स केले. आता हे जे वर्टिकल डिस्टन्स दिसतंय, see my cursor, this vertical distance is nothing but the size in mm, or here written this leg, this horizontal distance ला जे काही तुमच्या लेंथ मध्ये वेल्डिंग केलं जातं, ही पण झाली तुमची साइज ऑफ वेल्ड mm मध्ये. म्हणजे हे वर्टिकल आणि हे हॉरिझॉन्टल, ही जेवढी लेंथ असते वेल्डिंगची त्याला आपण काय म्हणतो, साइज ऑफ वेल्ड. ती कशावरती डिपेंड आहे? इट डिपेंड्स ऑन दी दिस टेबल. सी थिकनेस ऑफ थिकर प्लेट. थिकनेस ऑफ थिकर प्लेट मीन्स, थिकर मीन्स दोन प्लेट कनेक्ट करत असेल तर त्यातली थिक, ज्याची जाडी जास्त आहे ती प्लेट और पार्ट. सो ओव्हर अँड अप टू मीन्स 0 पासून 10 mm पर्यंत जर थिकनेस असेल प्लेटची, म्हणजे या दोन प्लेट मधली 0 पासून 10 mm पर्यंत जर थिकनेस असेल तर size of weld, minimum size of weld is 3 mm we have to choose. See, this is very important table for solving the problem or numericals on the welded connection. तुम्हाला size of weld जर एक्झाम्पल मध्ये दिली नसेल तर you have to choose by this thickness of plates only. सो जर 0 पासून 10 mm पर्यंत जर मोठ्या प्लेटची थिकनेस असेल, दोन्ही प्लेट मधल्या जी मोठी प्लेट आहे त्याची थिकनेस जर 10 mm पर्यंत असेल, 0 to 10, then we have to choose minimum size of weld as a 3 mm. Then 10 to 20, जर 10 mm पासून 20 mm पर्यंत जर थिकनेस असेल, इथं काय म्हटले बघा, इन्क्लुडिंग, इन्क्लुडिंग म्हणजे 10 mm ह्याच्यामध्ये येते, म्हणजे इथं 11 mm पासून असणार, हे 10 येणार नाही, 11 पासून 20 पर्यंत. सो 10 to 20, the thickness of thicker plate is from 10 to 20, then you have to choose the minimum size of weld is 5 mm. Here written 5 mm. Then 20 to 30 mm thickness is there of thicker plate, then you have to select a size of weld as a 6 mm. Now this 3 mm, 5 mm, 6 mm, it means this distance, this vertical distance is 3 mm, 5 mm, 6 mm, or this horizontal distance is, means length of welding is 3 mm, 5 mm, or 6 mm. Are you getting now? This is size of weld, vertically and horizontally. This leg distance is nothing but the size of weld. Now, if the thickness of thicker plate is 32 up to 50 mm, then 8 mm you have to select as a size of weld of first run, and 10 mm for minimum of weld. म्हणजे आपण कमीत कमी 8 mm आणि जर जास्तीत जास्त 10 mm पर्यंत मिनिमम वेल्डिंग साइज ऑफ वेल्ड घेऊ शकतो. आर यू गेटिंग? So this table is very important related to size of weld. We have to select the size of weld from the thickness of plates from this table, table number 21. Here written table number 21, clause number 10.5.2.3, and that given in the page number 78. If you have IS code, as I have told you, please print the IS code. If you have IS code, then you will you can see page number, on the page number 78 in the right top corner, the table number 21 is given and these thicknesses are given. Are you getting? So this is very important. So you can write down also shortly. So minimum size of weld, then thickness of thicker part, over, up to, then size of weld. So write down these values. And this is also given in IS code, page number 78. आणि हे फक्त याच चॅप्टर मध्ये लागणार नाही, प्रत्येक चॅप्टर मध्ये पुढच्या जिथं जिथं वेल्डिंग कनेक्शन करायचं आहे तिथं तुम्हाला साईज ऑफ वेल्ड सिलेक्ट करायचीच आहे. वेल्डिंग कनेक्शन आलं म्हटलं की साईज ऑफ वेल्ड येणार. Are you getting? So draw this table and write down these values. It should be in your notebook also. So then you will. If over, then tell me this is over. Okay. Now we'll move towards next point. These are the some of the notes under the size of weld. So when the minimum size of fillet weld is greater than the thickness of the thinner part, the minimum size of weld should be taken as a thickness of the thinner part. It means what? When the minimum size of fillet weld is greater than the thickness of the thinner part, means the thickness of thinner part is if 3 mm, then the minimum size of the weld should be taken as a thickness of the thinner part. म्हणजे जर 3 mm पेक्षा जर कमी असेल, 2 mm असेल प्लेटची थिकनेस, तर तुम्हाला 2 mm घ्यावी लागेल. दिलेली आहे तुम्हाला टेबल मध्ये 3 mm पेक्षा जास्त, पण ती जर तेवढी असेल तर ती 2 mm 3 mm घ्यावी अशी नोट आहे. Then when the thicker part is more than 50 mm thick, the special precaution like preheating etc will have to be taken. Means here see 50 mm पर्यंत आपल्याला हा टेबल दिलेला आहे आणि 50 mm पर्यंत 10 mm साइज ऑफ वेल्ड घ्यायला सांगितलंय. बट हियर द पॉइंट इज रिटन, जर 50 mm पेक्षा जर जास्त थिकनेस असेल तर काय करायला पाहिजे? देन द क्लॉज इज देअर, we have to take the maximum size of the fillet weld. The maximum size of the fillet weld is equal to thickness of the thinner plate minus 1.5. It means thickness of thinner plate. म्हणजे जर दोन प्लेट असतील, एक 16 mm ची असेल आणि एक 12 mm ची असेल. सी दोन प्लेट्स असतील, सॉरी आपल्याला 50 mm च्या पेक्षा जास्त थिकनेस असेल त्याचा विषय चाललाय. जर थिकनेस दोन प्लेट असतील आणि एका प्लेटची थिकनेस जर 80 mm असेल आणि एका प्लेटची थिकनेस जर 55 mm असेल, 55 mm इन्स्टेड ऑफ दिस 50. सो जर 55 mm असेल कमी एका प्लेटची थिकनेस, तर काय करणार, तर 55 minus 1.5 is the highest thickness we have to take, that is maximum thickness, or 3/4 of nominal thickness of the angle. जर अँगल सेक्शन यूज केला असेल तर 3/4 of nominal thickness of angle. जर अँगलची थिकनेस काही असेल तुमची, त्याच्या 3/4 घ्यायला पाहिजे. So that is the rule. So 50 mm च्या पेक्षा जास्त कधी कुठं नसतात, एकदम रेअर केस असेल कुठं जर असेल तर. एवढ्या थिकनेस 50 mm च्या थिकनेसचं जर आपण अँगल किंवा प्लेट वापरली तर त्याचं वेट काय होईल. तर तेवढ्या थिकनेसच्या प्लेट शक्यतो नसतात. 20 mm 40 mm पर्यंत हायेस्ट झालं. Who is writing here in chat box? Prerna Jadhav, what you have written here? Okay, so this is the maximum size. If the thickness of plates more than 50 mm, then you have to think about this. Are you getting? So these are the some notes given under the size of plate. Now, Prerna Jadhav, are you listening me? Please unmute and talk with me. You are writing in chat box something. To whom you are talking? Division A, Prerna Jadhav. Okay. Now, this is over. Size of weld is over. So finally, this table we have to use. Now, next point is the effective throat thickness. So throat thickness, what is throat thickness? Now we have to learn what is throat thickness. So you can 1 minute. Now see what is effective throat thickness. So here effective throat thickness is generally we are calling as a TE. So I have shown you figure. This is the top plate, this is the bottom plate, and now here you have to weld this. So this part is the throat thickness, effective throat thickness TE. Are you getting? This is the one plate, this is the another plate. My screen is visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So these two plates, horizontal and vertical, two plates are connected, and we have to weld in this area. Okay, and in this area it means some thickness or width is there. So for this width we have to weld. 1 minute. This is the 3D sketch. So this is one plate, this is another plate. Now here Something went wrong. So this thickness is the throat thickness. Are you getting? So we have to calculate this thickness in the problem statement. How much thickness? Now here, this is the size of weld. This is again size of weld, means या पॉइंट पासून हा तुमचा आहे रूट, हा आहे टो, याला टो म्हणतो आपण, याला आपण टो म्हणतो आणि याला आपण रूट म्हणतो. दिस इज रूट, दिस इज टो, this is again toe. So from root to toe, this is S, again this is S. So this distance is, this is suppose this is A, B and C. It means A, B आणि C असे पॉइंट आहेत. तर ही झाली तुमची साईज ऑफ वेल्ड. एवढ्या mm ला तुम्ही काय लेंथला काय करायचं, तुम्हाला वेल्डिंग करायचं. सो दिस इज साईज ऑफ वेल्ड. नाउ and this is the throat thickness. So this is the perpendicular, this is again perpendicular. The perpendicular case is there. हे perpendicular असतील एकमेकाला त्या कंडिशन मध्ये. Now, so this is the throat thickness. That throat thickness we have to calculate. So here, assume this is point is D. Okay. Now, from this figure, what is, see, BA is equal to BC is equal to S. Is it correct? See, whatever I am written, please, from this figure, BA is equal to BC is equal to S. So S is the size of weld. So BA is equal to BC is equal to S. Now, but here AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. See, concentrate here. AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. Means this AB square is equal to this BC square is equal to this AC square. So here AB is the yes, BC is the yes. So here S square plus S square is equal to AC square. Now here we have to calculate AC. So this is 2S square is equal to AC square. Now AC is equal to, याचा जर स्क्वेअर आहे तो काढला तर काय होणार, अंडर रूट 2S. आर यू गेटिंग? व्हॅल्यू ऑफ AC is under root 2S. Are you getting? Now we will move next. We have to calculate this BD. Finally, we have to calculate this BD, and the BD is the throat thickness. Means diagonal thickness. We have to calculate this BD. Are you getting? So we have calculated first AC. Now if we think about this triangle ABD, now see, now from triangle ABD, where ABD, now we think about the ABC. यात पूर्ण ट्रायंगलचा आपण थिंक केल्यानंतर आपण AC ची व्हॅल्यू कॅल्क्युलेट केली. Now we have to think about only ABD. Now from this ABD, here AD square plus BD square is equal to AB square. See, whatever I am written is correct. See, triangle ABD, this ABD triangle, you can see here ABD triangle. So AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square. BD ची आणि AD ची addition, याच्या square ची addition म्हणजेच AB ची AB square, correct? Now here, what is now here? I will draw once again sketch. This is D, B, A, C. This is right angle. This is right angle. Now here,